Question 1. Pontiac Bonneville, year 1961. The Pontiac Bonneville was named after the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah, where Pontiac had set several land speed records, and it became one of the most iconic full-size luxury cars of the early 1960s. Question 2. Bentley R-Type Continental, year 1954. The Bentley R-Type Continental was one of the fastest production cars of its era, capable of exceeding 120 miles per hour, and featured an iconic fastback design that made it instantly recognizable among luxury automobiles of the 1950s. Question 3. Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud, year 1955. The Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud was so well insulated that passengers could have a conversation at normal volume even when the engine was running at full throttle, making it one of the quietest cars of its era. Question 4. Renault Dauphine, year 1960. The Renault Dauphine was one of the best-selling cars of the 1960s, with over 2 million units produced worldwide, and it was the first rear-engine car to achieve such massive commercial success in Europe. Question 5. Lincoln Continental, year 1962. The Lincoln Continental was President John F. Kennedy's official presidential limousine, and this iconic model became forever linked to history as the same year marked tragic events in American politics. Question 6. Maserati Sebring, year 1965. The Maserati Sebring was named after the famous 12 Hours of Sebring endurance race and featured a quad headlight design that became iconic for the marque during the 1960s. Question 7. Jaguar XJ6, year 1975. The Jaguar XJ6 was the last car personally approved by Sir William Lyons before his retirement, and its design remained largely unchanged for nearly 20 years, making it one of the longest production luxury sedans of its time. Question 8. Volkswagen Beetle, year 1952. The Volkswagen Beetle is the best-selling automobile of all time, with over 21 million units produced across more than 7 decades, making it an icon of automotive history. Question 9. Humber Super Snipe, year 1967. The Humber Super Snipe was a luxury British saloon that featured a spacious interior and powerful engine, making it a popular choice for executives and dignitaries during the 1960s, with its distinctive dual headlights and chrome detailing reflecting the era's design philosophy. Question 10. Ford Fairlane, year 1966. The Ford Fairlane was one of the first successful mid-size cars in America, creating an entirely new market segment that became hugely popular throughout the 1960s and 1970s. Question 11. Lada 2101, year 1970. The Lada 2101 was based on the Fiat 124 and became one of the best-selling cars in Soviet history, remaining in production for nearly 3 decades with over 5 million units built. Question 12. Wolseley 61110, year 1962. The Wolseley 61110 was a luxury British sedan that shared its platform with the Morris Oxford and MG Magnet, featuring a sophisticated 2.9-litre inline-six engine that produced 120 horsepower and was favoured by British professionals and government officials. Question 13. Vauxhall Cresta, year 1957. The Vauxhall Cresta was the luxury variant of the Velox and featured a distinctive split windscreen and two-tone paint scheme, making it one of Britain's most stylish cars of the 1950s. Question 14. Facel Vega Facellia, year 1960. The Facel Vega Facellia was one of the first French cars to feature a modern V8 engine, and its distinctive dual headlight design became iconic in European luxury car styling during the early 1960s. Question 15. Alvis TC21, Paint 100, year 1953. The Alvis TC2100 was the last car produced by Alvis before the company ceased automobile manufacturing in 1967, transitioning entirely to aerospace and military vehicle production. Question 16. Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL, year 1968. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL was one of the first cars to feature a V8 engine in the luxury sedan class, and it was the basis for the legendary 300 SEL 6.8 that dominated racing in the early 1970s. Question 17. Citroen DS, year 1965. The Citroen DS featured a revolutionary high-drop pneumatic suspension system that allowed it to adjust its ride height automatically, making it one of the most advanced cars of its era and influencing car design for decades. Question 18. Jaguar XJ6, year 1973. The Jaguar XJ6 was considered one of the most beautiful and elegant sedans of its era, combining British luxury with powerful performance and advanced independent double wishbone suspension for its time. Question 19. Citroen DS, year 1965. The Citroen DS featured a revolutionary high-drop pneumatic suspension system that allowed it to adjust its ride height and provided exceptional comfort, earning it the nickname the Goddess and making it one of the most innovative cars of its era.